What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing. As you can see, the box is right here. This is a Phoenix Models unboxing. This particular model is very interesting, and I've been wanting to get this for Denver for the longest time. Also, it is a new airline a new airline to my collection, I should say. So this airline I do not have in my collection yet, so I'm very excited that I was able to pick this up. And as I mentioned, this is by Phoenix Models. And so yeah, let's dive straight into it. Before we get into it though, if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like on it. And also, if you guys could hit that subscribe button, or if you could consider it, it really helps support the channel. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And we have plenty of awesome airport updates and awesome videos coming in the future, and also a giveaway is coming shortly. And you guys do not want to miss out on that. And in order to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's dive straight into the unboxing here. So we'll start off with opening. Hold on, there we go. Oops, I'm a terrible cutter. Just had to cross out the address for personal reasons, actually. Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to put that somewhere where I won't drop it. Okay, so this is one of their new releases by Phoenix Models also. So this just came out. So first it comes out with the paper, whatnot, with the model. So we'll put that aside. And the model is right here. Okay, so we'll put that aside. Okay. Let's see. A lot of paper. They do a great job unboxing it. Ow. Okay. Here is the model I ordered. It is... Wait, do I have this the right way? No, I don't. Here is the model I ordered. It is a Copa Airlines 737-800. This is... I'm not quite sure on the livery, which I do apologize for that, but it'll probably come to me once I'm going through the video. But since I do not have a ton of Phoenix models, I want to go over the box art on this in case you guys would like to pick up a model like this yourselves. So right here we have Boeing 737-800. Right here we have the computer-generated aircraft with the MLB logo, which stands for... Oh my god, I just forgot it. Oh, it's the baseball from the United States, if you don't know what that is. Here we have the Copa Airlines logo with the registration, and then it says 1/400 scale right here. Warning, it's in Chinese, so that's awesome. Made in China, obviously. Then here is a computer-generated model with the aircraft type and the scale down there, 1/400 scale. And this will be the same as the opposing side, 1/400 scale, and then Copa. So yeah, I'm very excited to have Copa part of my Denver airport updates now, because before, they've always been flying here. I think they just had their 10-year anniversary, and I hadn't had Copa planes before, so this is really exciting. Here we also have the aircraft name, Boeing 737-800, or the was made by. Then the computer-generated model, and then down the corner here it says 1/400 scale. And yeah, so that is the box. Nothing too special about that. Hopefully it's easy to open. Okay, it is. I hate breaking my boxes. So as you can see, it's just resting in there. Open that up. You can already kind of see it. Alright, pull it out here. And here it is. It is lying right in this plastic sleeve. It looks great, and so far I'm pretty sure it's not broken. Please don't be broken. Alright, let's see. There is the aircraft. I am aware that Gemini released a Max 8, but I did not want that one as it was grounded at the time. Alright, actually we're going to start off with the front half here. Okay, hold on guys, you just gotta bear with me with the camera. Okay. Let's start right there. Alright, so on the front half of the aircraft we have the cockpit windows and we have the Star Alliance logo, as you can see. And we have the L1 boarding door right here with the landing gear. Hold on, let me get a better angle. With the landing gear down below right here. Then we have the Copa Airlines logo, and then it says, what does it mean? Or what does it say? Official airline of MLB. Major League Baseball. That's what it is. Almost forgot. And then if we go a little further down, you can see the engines right here. And yeah, on the other side. And then there's one antenna down below. If we go to the back half here. Well, let me scoot it back a little. Middle area. We have the winglets, which are just like the United winglets. Actually, the first time I saw this plane, I thought it was a United aircraft and like this was like a knockoff version, but turns out it's not. They just kind of have the same design. And then here you can see all of the some of the baseball teams. We have the Cubs. Some of that's so small I can't even read it. But here we have some of the baseball teams from the United States, all aligned right there. And then if we go a little further down, hold on, let me zoom out a little and up. There we go. So yeah, Phoenix did a fantastic 10 out of 10 job on this. We'll get to the bottom of the aircraft here shortly, but here we have the registration, which is a little too small for me to read. I do apologize for that. And also we have the back door right there, and then this is, if you do not know, the MLB logo. So they put this on like hats. That's just like their logo they go by. And then you have the horizontal stabilizers, which are metal. Good news. Alright, let's zoom out here a little bit, and then let's look at it like this. Okay, let's see. Alright, so the wings, yeah, this wing right here, I'm pretty sure is broken. I don't know if you can see it, but it's, hold on. See how slanted that is? So, might have to re-glue that on, but other than that, is a fantastic model. Let's zoom out just a little further and look at the bottom of the aircraft. Nothing really special here. They do have two antennas right here, and then one in the front, the landing gear, and then the painted silver with the horizontal stabilizers down below. So this is the final model. I'm very happy, or very pleased I should say, to have Copa Airlines a part of my Denver fleet. I'm very happy to put it there. I'm fairly sure that Copa is not doing service right now because of the virus going around, but they should be back very shortly, and when they are back, I will be putting this gorgeous aircraft in. Also, okay, so I'd give this a 10 out of 10 rating. Just thought I'd get that out of the way. So 10 out of 10 for this model. Highly recommend it if you don't have it already. You can pre-order it at easytoys.com. And news about Honolulu. Okay, so if you are not caught up on my socials, so Instagram, that's where I'll be posting information about Honolulu, or when I'm making new airports, or just asking you guys about what new airports you guys want to see. So if you don't follow that, go follow it. It is MileHigh _Aviation. I highly recommend you go follow that. But Honolulu, I did move Honolulu upstairs, so it is officially ready to go. I just need to set up the gates and planes and accessories and terminals and whatnot. And the first airport update, I'm hoping for this Friday, but I can't guarantee it because I have been really busy with stuff. And unfortunately, I'm starting school here in a month. Very, very sad, and I hate to say it, but yeah. But do not worry, I will get you guys a Honolulu airport update in the coming weeks. It's going to either be this Friday or next Friday. I'm going to try my best for this Friday, but I don't know how long it's going to take to drill all the holes for all the gates and stuff and make new gates out of cardstock, which turned out really good, surprisingly. But anyway, aside from all that, I hope you guys enjoy this video and this awesome unboxing, and there will be Honolulu coming soon, so be ready for that. And if you did enjoy it, please, please, please leave a like and let me know what you guys think of this model and Honolulu in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for the giveaway, and it really helps support me, like really helps support a lot, and I appreciate all of you guys. And thank you guys so much for 2K once again, it really does mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be an airport update, hopefully of Honolulu. Alright, peace out.